Something in space is removing entire regions of the universe. It doesn't explode them. It doesn't collide with them. It makes them vanish. Space is supposed to be full of things. Stars, gas, radiation. Even the darkest regions still glow faintly with the afterimage of creation. But there are places where that glow stops, where telescopes see nothing, not because they can't look deeper, but because there is nothing left to see. And the more closely astronomers examine these regions, the more unsettling the pattern becomes. These regions are called cosmic voids, vast expanses of space with almost no galaxies. At first glance, they seem harmless, just empty bubbles between clusters of matter. But that explanation doesn't survive close inspection, because these voids aren't random. They have shape, structure, edges, and those edges look cut. Galaxies don't gradually thin out as you approach these regions. They stop abruptly, as if something reached out and removed everything beyond a boundary, not violently, but completely. No debris, no distortion, just a clean, impossible silence. The universe isn't supposed to work like this. Gravity pulls matter together. Time spreads it out. Nothing in known physics selectively empties space. Yet when astronomers map the large-scale structure of the universe, these voids dominate the picture. They aren't rare. They make up most of the universe. Imagine a cosmic web, filaments of galaxies stretching across space like threads of light, and between them, enormous black gaps, not darkness, nothingness. What's disturbing isn't just how empty these regions are, it's what's missing inside them. Dark matter should still be there. Background radiation should still pass through. Quantum fluctuation should still ripple across space. But measurements show something strange. These regions are colder, quieter, as if even the universe's background noise has been dampened. Some voids are so large that light takes billions of years to cross them. Photons entering these regions spend most of their existence traveling through nothing, and when they exit, they are altered, stretched, weakened, as if space itself behaves differently inside. This leads to an uncomfortable question. Are these regions empty because nothing ever formed there, or because something removed what was once there? One idea suggests voids are scars, remnants of early instabilities where matter fell away instead of clumping together. But that explanation struggles when confronted with symmetry. These voids are too smooth, too consistent. Nature doesn't carve emptiness this cleanly. Another idea is more disturbing, that voids are expanding faster than the rest of the universe, not because of dark energy, but because space inside them behaves differently, as if the laws of physics subtly change once you cross the boundary. Inside a void, time may flow differently, not dramatically, not enough for clocks to break, but enough for processes to stall. Star formation slows, matter interaction weakens, structures unravel. In simulations, galaxies placed inside deep voids slowly fade. They don't explode or collapse. They lose coherence. Stars drift apart, gas disperses, structures unravel, like a memory being erased. This raises a terrifying possibility. The voids are not empty. They are active, not as objects, but as processes. Imagine a universe that doesn't just expand, but prunes. One that removes regions where complexity fails to sustain itself, not out of intent or malice, but as a natural consequence of cosmic evolution. In this picture, galaxies survive only in dense filaments, where matter reinforces itself and gravity holds structure together. Everything else fades. The universe already forgets. It forgets stars. It forgets galaxies. It forgets information at the edge of black holes. But voids suggest something more intimate. The universe forgetting regions of itself. There is another unsettling detail. The largest voids are growing, not by pushing matter outward, but by absorbing surrounding space. Emptiness itself appears contagious. The boundaries of voids move slowly but relentlessly. Over unimaginable spans of time, filaments thin, clusters stretch, and voids claim more territory. If this continues, the future universe looks nothing like today. Not a bright expanse of stars, but isolated islands of matter surrounded by endless silence. Each galaxy alone, drifting, fading, and then even those islands disappear. Not because the universe was destroyed, but because it finished forgetting. The most disturbing thought of all is this. We might already live inside a void, a shallow one, a gentle one, but still a void. Our local group of galaxies exists in an underdense region, less matter, less gravity, nothing dangerous, nothing immediate, but enough to make you wonder. If voids are places where the universe forgets, what happens to the last things left behind? Because space doesn't scream when something disappears. It doesn't announce the end. It just gets quieter, colder, emptier. And one day, far beyond any human future, there may be no light left to observe, no galaxies left to map, no structures left to study, just an endless void. Not because the universe died, but because it was quietly erased.